Hello students, let us continue the lesson features of file management, and in my previous video already I have discussed how to create a folder and what is file and what is folder. So in today's point we will see copying a file or folder. So how to copy the file or how to copy the folder from one place to another place. So first of all we will see what is copying. Copying means duplicating. So copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. So copying means creating a duplicate copy. Okay, so creating the duplicate copy of the file or folder, so that is called as copy. Now how to copy the files from one location to another location? So your steps are given, so let us follow these steps to copy the files or folders from one location to another location. Double click on the computer icon on the desktop. It will display the hard disk drives, CD DVD drives, removable devices and network locations that are connected to your computer. See here, so this is the computer icon. When you double click on this computer icon, it will display here. So these are the hard disk drives, CD drives, then removable disk means whenever you connect pen drives and all, so that drives will be displayed here. And this is one another icon drive I have created for my sake. Okay, so you don't worry. Okay, so the here you will get, whenever you open computer icon, you will get a list of drives with the removable devices and CD drives. Double click on the D drive icon, it will display all the files and folders stored in it. So now what they have said, so just double click on this D drive. Okay, so I'll double click on this D drive and it is displaying all the list of files and folders. So whatever the files and folders are present in this D drive, so that all the file list or folder list is displaying here. Select any file or folder you want to copy. So next point is, so from this drive you select any one of the files. So for example, I'll select this file. Okay. So this is one file, or I'll select this file. So select any one file, so that file will be highlighted. See, now you look at the other files or folders and look at this file, so it is highlighting with some background color, means it indicates so this file is selected. If you select any folder, so then that will be highlighted. Okay, and whenever you select that file or folder, you will get the information of that file or folder in this area. You see here, so this folder, it is created on 17th April. It is modified date. Okay, so for example, no, 0, so 0.png. So when this is created, so 26th November 2020, so this file is created. So you will get all the information related to that file. So this file is created on 23 July 2020. Okay, you will get all the information related to that file. Click on the organize button and select the copy option from the drop down menu. So then after selecting that file, click on this organize button and you see here copy option is given. So click on this copy option. Okay, now I selected this file and I clicked on organize button and selected copy option. Choose the location where you want to place the copied file. Then click on the paste option in the organize drop down menu. Okay, see, now already, so this file is copied. Now where you want to paste, okay, select that location. For example, I want to paste it in documents, so just click on this documents. Okay, after selecting the documents, click on organize button and select paste option. Okay, so that the file copied. Okay, that file is copied from D drive to documents folder. Okay, so this is a way to copy the file. So notice that the file gets copied to the new location. See here, see in the documents, so that file is copied. Okay, so this is a way to copy the file. Okay, same file or folder can be copied by using shortcut key also. So for example, see, I'll show you. Now I want to copy this folder for students. So what you can do, just right click on that folder, select copy option, then again right click and select paste option. So copy of this file is created for students copy. Okay, so copy of this same folder created. Select, right click on that folder, then select copy option, then again right click and select paste option. So the copy of that selected folder gets created. So this is by using the context menu you can copy and paste. So one more method again, by using the shortcut key. Okay, so you can use the shortcut key to copy the files or folders. For example, see, first select this folder, which folder you want to copy, then hold control button on your keyboard. You can see here control buttons are highlighting with the white color, then press Control C. Okay, so Control C is a shortcut key to copy this file. Okay, so Control C is pressed, then afterwards hold Control key again and press Control V button. Okay, see here, copy of copy. So this Control V button, whenever you paste Control V, that copy of that same folder gets created. You can see it. So number of copies are created by using that shortcut also. Okay, so this is a way to copy the files. By using menu option you can copy, or you can right click and you can use that copy option, or you can use this keyboard. Okay, so in this keyboard just use Control C button for copying and Control V button for paste. Okay, so I hope you have understood this point, how to copy the files or folders from one location to another location. So in my next video I will show you how to rename the file or folder. Thank you for watching.